Hi, this is Jackie with Salutio. In this video, I'm going to go over how to make a new menu item inside of our sites. This is something that's probably a little more advanced, so if you're not quite comfortable with the basics of article editing, spend a little more time there. But of course, whatever your needs are, definitely don't hesitate to reach out to us. So maybe, for example, I might want to put like a pastor's corner under the About Us drop down. How I would go about that is those menus, that top level menu probably lives in something called main menu. That little house is going to be wherever that home page is, whether that's a landing page, whether that's an actual home page. That top level menu, and that's the language that we use inside of Salutio, is this, we call this a menu. We call each of the child items usually a drop down menu. We often will see those drop-down menus are probably going to be the same thing on the side menu inside the site itself. So if I want to add a pastor's corner to the main menu, I'm going to go first. I want to go to the main menu. I could choose new menu item and then guess of all the settings that I need, but I find it's often helpful to copy something that's already there. So in order to do that, most of these are set up to be category blogs. There are a couple other menu item types available for use if needed, but the most common type is probably the category blog. I'm going to click on parish registration and open it up. Here I have the option on the screen to save as copy. If I start making changes to this, I'm probably going to lose it, but if I go ahead and choose save as copy, I have a brand new menu item. It's unpublished, but it contains all the same settings, meaning it's under the About Us drop-down item. Its parent is About Us, is what I mean by that. I can change it to published, and then all the settings, the rest of the settings on these other tab areas are the same, and the menu item type is the same. I'm going to go ahead and clear the category, and since this is probably going to be something brand new, occasionally this category might already exist, but there are probably, on most occasions, you're going to need a new category for the articles to be organized into. So I'm going to call this one Pastor's Corner. I'm not going to worry about it having a parent. It's going to be Pastor's Corner. Also there, so I changed the menu title. I'm going to clear the alias. Notice it does say auto generate from title. That just means it's going to take care of itself. If I wanted to control that, maybe I had an apostrophe after pastors, and I didn't want the slug or the URL of the page to be /pastor-s-corner. Sorry, let me give you a visual in order for you to see that. I can save that. And if I go to the website and I refresh, there is my Pastor's Corner. So what I was starting to reference about the pastor-s-corner, that drives me nuts. So I usually will go back in there and remove that extra dash inside of there. I still have the menu item open, so I can just click on to backspace that out right there under alias. So save and close. There's my new, I'm going to click off of that because if I refresh, it'll give me an error. And now when I go to Pastor's Corner, that's what it is up there in the top of my screen. That's how you make a new menu item. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.